Hello, it's again me, and this time I will talk about load balancing, what it is, why do we need load balancing, and which features depend on the correct configuration. So life would be very simple if we could have only one user. That user from the browser will connect to the Collabora Online server, and this server will download a file from the storage. We will do the work, save the file, and it's done. But of course, we have multiple users. So if all these users connect to the same server, at some point, our server will say, I don't have resources. At this point, you know that you need some solution like load balancer to provide services to all these users who edit multiple files. So now we have more complex diagram where we have on the left side multiple users, and the difference is that this time we use multiple Collabora Online instances on the right side, and between them there is a load balancer. We can simplify that, and we will focus only on one file. In this case, it's some spreadsheet. It lives on the second Collabora Online server. And as you can see, we have two users who connect to the same file through the load balancer. So to have the correct behavior of the application, we have to be sure that all the requests from the browser will end up on the same Collabora Online node. So load balancer have a very important task to do. It has to detect that the request has to go to the specific node. So for that, we use some parameters in the requests. In the simple example with some static configuration, for example, with HA proxy, we use the WOPI source parameter, but there can be also more advanced scenario where we want to scale up or down our deployment. This is not a topic for this talk. It will be shown probably by Rush tomorrow. So in this case, we use the WOPI source parameter, and it's attached to all the requests. So there are some features which do additional requests, like clipboard. So when we copy or paste something into document, or if we play embedded video, it also does some separate requests. And of course, if we connect to the document, we rename that document, we reload the page. All these actions will do some requests, and it's very important to have the correct parameter WOPI source to be sure that it will land on the correct node. And example problems we had were in integrations, that some of them were using not correctly encoded WOPI source. So it was different in some cases, and then it didn't work. So if copy pasting doesn't work for some users, that can be a sign that it's a problem with configuration of load balancing. Thank you.